Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use protein powder. First, understand that protein powder is a convenient way to boost your protein intake, supporting muscle repair and growth, especially after exercise. We'll cover the different forms available, like whey and plant-based options, and discuss how to choose the best one for your goals. Then, we'll explore practical methods for incorporating it into your diet effectively. When selecting your protein powder, consider your specific dietary needs, such as if you require a vegan or lactose-free option. Look for products that provide a substantial amount of protein, typically around 20 to 25 grams per serving, to maximize benefits. Always check for third-party certifications, which ensure the product's quality and that it contains exactly what the label claims, giving you peace of mind. The most common way to consume protein powder is by mixing 1 scoop with 8 to 12 ounces of water, milk, or a milk alternative. For optimal muscle recovery, try to consume your protein shake within 30 minutes after completing your workout. You can also get creative by blending it into smoothies with your favorite fruits and vegetables, making it a delicious and nutrient-dense meal or snack. Beyond traditional shakes, protein powder is incredibly versatile. Try stirring it into your morning oatmeal or yogurt, or even incorporating it into pancake and waffle batter for a protein-packed breakfast. You can also bake with it, creating delicious and healthy muffins, cookies, or homemade energy bars. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.